Come with me to explore Chinatown in Jakarta, the Glodok area, for the first time. It's almost 8 o'clock in the morning. I do know that the street markets open up at around 7 in the morning, but the indoor mall isn't going to open until 9, so I'm going to explore a little bit of what's on the streets before the mall opens. So here along one of the side streets is where there are different vendors. Some are selling cooked food. A lot of them are selling fresh food. And in the beginning, there was a coffee shop and a little restaurant. It's a really tight walking space on the side streets, and the motorbikes are going back and forth, and there is no pedestrian right away. You just gotta flow with it. And right now it's not too bad. It's not too crowded, but as you will see when I get deeper into it, can get a little bit congested. So here's some fresh vegetables and fresh fish. So right now I'm really just taking a mental note of what is here, because I just got here and I do want to go to the indoor mall, but I do plan to come back and get some fresh food to take home to my condo for cooking. I do love eating out, but I love cooking for myself a lot more and trying new recipes and things. So I'll definitely be back for some of that fish and some fresh veggies. So here you can see is where it's starting to get a little bit more crowded, and we have a little traffic jam right here. So it's just kind of get in where you fit in, and you just have to watch out for yourself pretty much. They will beep their horn if they're behind you, but I didn't feel unsafe. Just gotta watch out for yourself. So here I'm going to the coffee shop in the beginning, and I'm getting a Thai tea, which is my favorite, but it was such a little thing. I was done with it in like 3 minutes. So here I'm outside of the indoor mall, about to cross the street there, and it was about 8:30 at this time. And here is the outdoor food court. Nice little seating area and a couple of eateries that were open. So I got this passion fruit drink and this rumbang chocolate keju, which is basically buttered toast with chocolate in the middle and cheese on top. And it reminded me of the martabak that I tried, but just a smaller portion, and it was good. It was delicious, actually. So the mall finally opened at 9 o'clock, and there were very few stores, though, that were open. Most of them had the gates down. They were closed. So the ones that were open, there was a little eatery there, and there's a whole slew of clothes like in the middle here. I'm not there to shop for clothes. I overpacked a little bit, so I'm actually gonna be trying to downsize, maybe donate some things as I move on destinations. I'm slow matting through Southeast Asia, so trying to not really get any more clothes. But these pieces, they're all about 50,000 rupiah, which is just a couple of US dollars. I think it's about three, a little bit more, some change. So anyone who did need clothes, that's a cool place, I guess. You can browse. So this is the second floor. And as you can see, most of it is closed. There's billiards and hangout place that was also closed. So I did hang out though. This was about 30 minutes away from where I stay. So I definitely wanted to make sure that I did see the place with the stores open and get to browse. This was one place that was just opening with designer replica bags, and in my 20s I would have been excited about this, but I kind of grew out of even looking like I'm wearing a designer bag. I'm more of a unique bag person. Like now I look for bags that are just well made and crafted by artisans. So I have a bag that was crafted by Indonesians. It's like weaved and it's so durable, and it's my favorite bag, and it's less than $5. So I think she was just opening here, so I didn't want to hang out. Just wanted to give her some time. She had to pull some things out and stuff. So I just kept walking around and just browsing, seeing what the store signs were, just kind of get an idea of what was there. It was around 10:30, 11 that the place started picking up, and you were able to go into the stores and see what was there. So at least it was comfortable. Outside it was starting to get hotter. I like to do early excursions while in Indonesia because of the heat. By noontime it's really beating down on you. So but the mall was comfortable. At least there was AC, so I really didn't mind hanging out, and I liked the decor of it. And there are apartments in this building. I kept seeing signs for elevator to apartments. So that's pretty cool that people can live there and have this mall downstairs with pretty much anything that they need, from clothes to other necessities. There was even like a little drugstore, and here's some shoes, also just a couple of US dollars each. So yeah, pretty cool place. This is like more of a convenience snack store. All kinds of things there. Then we have more eateries, and this is the top floor. They have these massage chairs and just pretty much a large food court. Like the whole third floor is just a large food court. I think there was just about one or two places that were open at the time that I was filming this. But yeah, that's pretty much the tour of the indoor mall in Chinatown in Jakarta. So just to give you an idea if you're ever in the city and want to visit.